results that is shown on this satisfaction level by the passengers. So further, it's a moment of immense pride for all of us at Dublin Airport. I have invited you today to share some exciting news that puts Goa on the global aviation map. I am thrilled to announce that Dabolim Airport has secured second position among AI airports and 59th position globally in the latest Airport Council International Airport Service Quality Survey for our category, that is 5 million plus passengers category. This is not just a trophy for our team, it is a testament for our commitment to excellence in passenger experience. A global benchmark, the ASQ survey is the gold standard in the aviation industry, measuring passenger satisfaction across 34 key performance indicators. To rank 59th globally means that travelers from across the world have recognized the warmth, efficiency, and quality of service provided right here in Goa Airport at Dabolim. The ACI-ASQ survey is the world's leading airport passenger service and benchmark program. ASQ measures passenger satisfaction and helps airports identify solutions to enhance customer experience, improve service offering, and increase non-aeronautical revenue. Ranking second among AI airport is not just a win for the Goa International Airport, it is a win for the people of Goa. It's a team effort. This achievement is not the work of a single department.